Welcome to commerce class. Now today we are going to see what is the meaning of marketer. Marketer na yaru? What is the meaning of it? Marketer is a person who promotes or exchange goods or services for money. So he may promote the good or exchange the good, or he can exchange goods or services for the return of money. Okay, so that is what you mean by the term marketer. Okay, then what can be marketed? Not only goods can be marketed. There are various many other items that can be marketed. Let us see one by one. First, goods. Goods means companies and individuals market goods. Goods like consumer durables, electronic product, machineries, computers and software and hardware. Now all these you call them as goods. So all this can be marketed. Okay. Other than that, you can even market service. That means like the service of banking, insurance, finance, hospitality, tourism, professional consultation. Now all this can also be exchanged in return for money. Next one is experience. How you can market experience. Now you go to amusement park or theme park, or you go for mountain climbing. Now all these are different type of experience that we do not engage in our everyday life. So providing such experience, that also can be marketed. Then events, various different types of events like maybe sports or some exhibitions you can arrange for it, or some performance, dance performance or drama performance, something like that. So you can promote and market special events like shows, exhibition, fair, performance, sport events like World Cup, Olympic, T20. Now all these are events where you can sell the ticket for entry, and where the people gather in large gathering, and by that way also you can make money, so by organizing events. Next one is by person themselves. How it is possible? Now there are some people who are in the limelight, like very top professionals in different field. They can be in sports field or music field, or they can be a cine star, like that. So they can turn out to be the ambassadors for a company or for a country for various reasons. Okay, so the endorsement for a brand of a company can be carried down by cine stars, sports stars, musicians and eminent personalities. So this way also they can market themselves. Next, places. Now there are certain business prospects are there for construction of new building in a land, or you visit a particular place. So so that way you can convert your business into money, like tourist business prospects, new residentials and lands that appeal to visit a particular geography by promoting special characteristics of that place. It can be waterfalls, or it can be a very quiet mountain view, like that. Okay, so you make arrangement for people visiting those places, and can that even that way also you can market. Next, properties. By selling properties, transferring the property from one person to another, like example house construction, or selling of a land, or a big piece of plot of a big piece of land, like that. So properties. So by person, places, properties, and then organizations. Now certain organizations, they want to make themselves popular, or they might even enter into social activities. Okay, so they sponsor certain events, or these like games, for games or some matches, or even they might sponsor for education purpose, or they may adopt villages. Okay, so organization also can market itself. The reason is to build the image among the society. Next is information. Whatever information is collected, that also can be transferred, like data collected by organization by used as a product for the purpose, like information collected by libraries, research people, or some agencies. Okay, so in that way information also can be marketed. Next, innovative ideas. For it can be for any type of goods. So goods in innovative and attractive ideas, new ideas how you can use a product, or how a product can be used in a different place. Okay, so by attractive ideas that the products can be marketed or sold. So these are the various ways which things can be marketed, not only goods. So ideas, information, property, places, person, events, experience, service, and goods. All this can be marketed. Okay. So we saw what are the various things can be marketed. Now, what is the role of a marketer? Next, we see to this. The role of a marketer is that of an instigator, innovator, integrator, and implementer. So these four roles a marketer has to play, has to involve. Now let us see one by one. What do you mean by instigator? Here, an instigator is a person who watches the development that take place in the market. Okay, any changes that comes in. He identifies the changes, and that changes he will try to make money by he grabs the opportunities, and he will try to make a convert that changes into money. Okay, so that person is called a instigator. So he observes the market very carefully. Next is innovator. Here, this person, he tries to modify something of a product. Maybe he can convert it to value added product, or some price structure he can, or introducing a delivery pattern. Like for example, now all of us go in for Amazon, now delivering the product at your doorstep, that is also as innovation. Okay, or creating new business models, or introducing changes in the production process. So some changes he brings about, it can be any field. So that particular person, you call him as a innovator. So instigator, he watches the market and he tries to grab opportunities when there are changes in the market. Innovator tries to bring about changes from the existing product, or the existing process, or the existing money price. So he would bring about a change in it, and sees that he launches a product in a different way. So he is called an innovator. Next one, integrator. Here, this person, integrator, he collects the feedback from the members, or through different channels, or through different medium, and he coordinate this whatever feedback he brings it, he gets it from the society or customers. Okay, he tries to provide that solution to the problem whatever they face. So such a person is called a integrator. Next one is called implementer. Implementer, he converts the opportunities to marketable product by different functional teams. Okay, by putting into functions of different team that takes place in the organization. So he called a implementer. Implementer is one who puts everything into practice. So he sees that whatever he observes, whatever opportunity that he can get, as an innovator, he will try to bring out the changes, or he may even get the feedback from the society or customers, and then he sees that he puts it into practice by launching a new product as expected by the customer. So he called him as an implementer. So these are the various roles of role of a marketer: instigator, innovator, integrator, and implementer. Okay, thank you.